What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we are putting the brand new seat that I have, this racing seat over here. Oh yeah, look at this thing. First time you guys are seeing it on the channel. Looks so good. So we're putting this in, I only got one of them, it's the driver's seat, and it's going right in there. So all you gotta do is take this out. I already took the passenger side seat out because I was going to test it out and see, ignore the mess, by the way. It's a work in progress. But I was gonna take the passenger seat out to test it out with the original bracket. But I already got the bracket, the new one, so I'm just gonna wham bam put it back in there and get it in. So let's try it out and get to it. As you can see, the seats absolutely just demolished. It's actually gonna be kind of bad because this is all one piece here. As you see, it's all one piece, and this is connected. So I'll lose my cup holders and I'll lose my armrest here. So I don't know. Might have to make a new one. Might make a video on that too. That'd be pretty sick. So yeah, we'll see what happens and let's unbolt this. I know it's just 4 bolts, so yeah. Alright guys, so all I did here is you see the bolts here. There's one right back there. So all I did was take off this panel right here covering this whole side. So take that off, and then you grab your 15. They're all 15s, all 4 of them, and get these off. Once I get the seat out, I'll honestly probably vacuum this out, this carpet, because it's pretty nasty. You guys think I should take it out or just clean it, vacuum it? I don't know. You guys didn't know? I cut my finger pretty bad, and had to have surgery on it. It's only been about 4 months. Still kind of hurts, but just gotta be careful with it, you know. Said use the little, try and make it stronger. Those are actually super hard. They're super hot. Okay, one done. Oh my gosh. Oh, these are on. These are really on. Oh, jeez, bud. Alright guys, here's the last bolt. I think I already lifted up the side of it, and let me tell you, it's pretty dirty down there. Oh, once I get this off, this one right here on this side was the hardest. That was the hardest nut to get off, let me tell you. fuck with it. Definitely hard to do this stuff without most of your right hand. All right, here we go, here we go, here we go. Hook you guys up. Oh, experience for pulling the shaft. There we go. Move it over. Yes. Okay, here we go. Maybe. I'm missing something? Am I missing something? Seatbelts. There you go. She's out. Well, out of being tangled up. Oh, she's out. Wow. That, it's intense. Alright, look at this, boys. Look at this. So dirty. Guess it's a perfect time to clean it out though, huh? I'd say so. What's up, guys? So this is day 2. I already got the seat in here. So actually looks pretty good, huh? I really like it. Feels nice. There's like no play at all when I turn. It's absolutely amazing. So what I did to get this in here, I did a little modification. So the original bracket I bought that goes with this is right there. I did not use it at all. It did not work at all, even though it said it was vehicle specific. It did not work at all. So I used the original bracket that's on the original seat, and all you have to do is drill 2 holes that go with the holes in the seat, and it works just fine. Works perfect. It's a little higher. It sits a little higher. You can see it goes down here. So my legs do get a little bit close to this, but I'm gonna get a new steering wheel anyway, so I'm not really too concerned about it. But yeah, here it is. It was actually super easy with the original bracket. So if you guys want to buy the new bracket I bought that I didn't use, hit me up. Or if you want to buy the original seat, I'm getting it reupholstered. I'll probably put it on, once I get it reupholstered, I'll put it on YouTube and I'll show you guys what it looks like, so you guys can buy it if you want to. It should look brand new, so we'll see. So I think that's about it, guys. Make sure to leave a comments down below. Make sure to like the video, and stay tuned for more, because there's definitely more coming. And here, let me show you guys. Here's my switch panel here. So this starts ignition. This ignition. So you just pull it up, start it, and here is the accessories, which actually controls a lot more than accessories. It actually controls the like the transmission when it shifts, interesting enough. And this one here is for the radio, because the radio is aftermarket, and so it doesn't turn off unless I turn the key, and I had a trouble with the key because I couldn't turn the key. So I made a switch just in case the key goes bad again. Interesting enough, that last switch also controls the windshield wipers. So yeah, I don't know, kind of weird how it's all wired up, but it works. And yeah, I'm getting a sick bracket made for it right now. I don't know, hopefully will be made soon. And it's on the mount. I have this trim piece down here, so it'll go right here. And then these there's 3 cigarette lighters that go right here, and I'm taking those out, and then the bracket will fit right into there. I'm making it bracket fit, so should be sick. And hope you guys like the video. Yeah, stay tuned for more, and we'll